We're in Osceola County, Florida. This is at the school district of Osceola County, Liberty High School. There's approximately 1,500 students here. This community is a service-based community. Most of our students' parents work in the hospitality field.
Jalen, I thought you was doing Stack 8.
This is our advanced manufacturing lab.
Let me pick it up.
This is our lab that we're doing basic manufacturing all the way up to advanced manufacturing.
You want to go to the selector switch? Watch here.
What we're using is the Ignite curriculum that is provided through Amatrol.
So that'll go to the COM.
The Ignite program, it starts at the basics. It teaches the students the basic processes like the beginning of AC/DC, tool measurement, CNCs.
So set your RPMs at 1,000.
As they grow, they get stronger in that skill. They get their certification, SACA, CPT, MSSC. Those are the certifications that the industry is looking for.
Clockwise.
The one great thing about this Amatrol and Ignite curriculum is the teacher doesn't teach all the curriculum. The students learn it through doing.
I enjoy it because it allows me to explore new things that because other curriculums you're just writing down stuff, you actually get a hands-on experience of how to do stuff.
These are hands-on skills. Right now, both the manufacturing and the space industry are looking for students who know how to use their hands and can think about these skills.
And that'll be point one. All right.
In our county right now, we're down 2,600 jobs in the manufacturing industry. However, they're expecting by 2027 we'll need 10,000 workers. We also have a semiconductor factory coming online.
Positive goes to the negative.
These curriculums lead to learning the processes of those.
This one's
That's positive.
You need to know how AC/DC works to be able to build a circuit on a semiconductor.
I don't know if it's gonna swing and hit it.
Anytime you walk into a job market, the more training you have and the more skills you have, the more marketable you are for a person. You have a student that come in, they have the certification, they have been trained, they've been in this class, touching, feeling, doing in this class for 4 straight years. That is your hireable person.
Oh, he's gonna stack it on top of the blue. Yeah.
Through the Ignite software and the LMS that they use, they're gaining confidence. And many of them said, I had no desire to be in this field, but now I'm very interested in it. Programs like this stop generational poverty. They bring students out of $15, $16 an hour jobs to $35, $40 an hour job. Completely changes their life. It's huge. It's a game changer for us. If I could, I would have a lab of this kind in every high school we have.